Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the final video for these Huda Beauty versus Bad Habit Beauty dupe videos. It's a mouthful. But today's the final look and I finally did a smoky eye on this channel and using these two palettes. Now on this eye I am wearing Huda Beauty and on this eye I am wearing Bad Habit Beauty. This is what the palettes look like. You know, the typical, one's bigger, one's smaller, but the Huda Beauty does contain more product than the Bad Habit, even though it is smaller. Here are the shades up close and it's basically what it says it is. Smoky Obsessions palette, and then this one's called After Party. It's basically just a smoky eye palette. It's the perfect palette for a smoky eye, and it even has pops of, I'm sorry for the blurriness, but my camera is on autofocus and it tends to focus on my backdrop a lot, especially with this backdrop. So I'm sorry for that if it goes in and out of focus, just FYI. It has been happening in the tutorial. It was really hard because it kept focusing on that instead of my eye. Anyways, for these, I'm going to be honest and I'm going to tell you that I prefer the Huda Beauty one over the Bad Habit Beauty one, just because the black is super messy. It has a lot of fallout, specifically the black. The other colors do have fallout, but the black is very, very messy. I feel like it doesn't stick to the eye as well as the Huda Beauty one does, and that goes for the black shade. The other shades are really nice, but the black shade definitely is very hard to work with, and you guys can see I was struggling a little. The black one from this palette had very, very, very minimal fallout and nothing on my face. The Bad Habit Beauty one kind of messed up my makeup a little bit. So yeah, I would like to mention that because that is something important to know if you are really looking for a really good smoky eye palette that, you know, is perfect for those girls who like to do everyday smoky eyes, or just when you feel like doing a smoky eye. This one definitely is much, much better, and I would recommend this one a little bit more than this one. I mean, I still like this one for the price. It does a good job. Now just keep in mind the black is a bit messy. All the other colors apply onto the eye and they blend flawlessly, but the black one and this one, again, which is, I would say, the star of this palette, is a bit messy, and you just have to work a little extra to get it on your eye really nicely. This one, the first sweep, and it was like super opaque, like you can see the shadow. This one, after I blended it, like the color blended away and it was just like a wash of black. So yeah. Now for this look, I did decide to do a deeper lip because I've been doing nude or glossy nude lips for the past 3 videos, and you guys know that is so not me. So I am going to let you guys know what I'm wearing on my lips, which is MAC's lip liner, lip pencil in the color Nightingale, something like that. It's a really pretty color, and I'm on top of that I applied Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Craft. I haven't wore Anastasia liquid lipstick since one that I bought years ago, and I just didn't like it, and I found this one at Marshall's for only $7.99, and I was like, you know what, it's the perfect price to try these liquid lipsticks again and see if I like them. So far this color I love. The formula feels nice right now. I feel like it's because I'm wearing the lip liner though, but more on that in another video. Other than that, I'm so happy that I'm finally done with these videos. It was harder than you guys think to have them all up. I wanted to have them all up one after another, but it was definitely hard. So yeah, I will leave you guys with the swatches and the smoky eye tutorial. And this is the finished look. Obviously, I did do a bold lip like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, and you guys can see the smoky eye. It looks very pretty. I personally have a hard time wanting to do smoky eyes because I can look very nice and it could look nice like this one, or I can look like a raccoon or like someone punched me, and I'm glad I didn't end up looking like a raccoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and a little ending to the whole little saga of videos. I hope you guys enjoyed all these tutorials and you enjoyed that I did them separately so that each little palette duo can get its own little spotlight. Let me know now that this is the 4th and final tutorial, which one was your favorite. Personally, for me, if I was to tell you which ones from the Huda Beauty you need in your collection, I recommend all 4 of them. I personally really love Huda Beauty shadows. Even though the formula I told you guys changed a little, I still enjoy these a lot and I feel like I reach for these a lot. Now, for the price of the Huda Beauty ones, if you are looking for, like, let's say a mauve palette, orangey tone palette, or a colorful palette, and you're not interested in the black palette, for these 3, if you buy them separately, you still pay $30. So might as well buy the bundle and just have the black one, you know, on the side, give it away. Maybe that will get you to try to do smoky eyes a little bit more. So for the price, I definitely feel like I would recommend you buy the bundle of these. Unless you really only want one of them, I recommend, honestly, I recommend the After Hours palette, which has the mauve colors. This would be my first recommendation. Even though I really I'm obsessed with this one, which is the After Dark palette that has all these burnt orange. Actually, I would recommend both of these if you're only looking for neutral palettes. These are pretty neutral. This one has a little bit of pop of like wine tones, and this one definitely is your burnt orange everyday neutral palette. So these are the 2 that if you're only looking for one or the other, I recommend these 2 100%. Now again, if you are a little bit iffy about these 2 palettes, the colorful and the smoky eyes, and you know, you just want to give it a try and have these, 30 bucks for all 4, I feel like is a great price, and I don't feel like you're going to be gypped from your money because they are incredible palettes. They are amazing dupes for these palettes. They all are very similar. I'm not going to say identical because I know people's panties get in a bunch, but they are like almost identical, guys. They swatch the same. Some of them have a little bit more fallout than the others for the Bad Habit Beauty, but some of these have a little less pigment than some of these for some of the shadows. So it's just kind of like a give or take kind of thing. Also, it's personal preference. If you want to spend the, what are these, 30 for each, it's like 120 for these, or you want to spend $30 for these, or vice versa, you can buy one of these and buy all 4 of these. You know, to each their own. Whatever your preference is, whichever one you want to spend your money on, that's all up to you. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite. I love them all, but if I had to say, my favorite look that I did was definitely using the colorful palette. I do feel like this look is super sexy and smoky, but this was my all-time favorite look, and I promise I will have another colorful tutorial soon as well. And without any more jibber jabber, thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something about myself. If you enjoy my personality, don't forget to subscribe, my sassiness. And also, if you haven't and you would like to get notified when I upload videos, don't forget to hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so YouTube can notify you when I upload videos. And yeah, thank you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.